To conduct an analysis, we need to create a selection scheme first. To do this, let's open the global settings from the Start window. In the settings, we go to the selection schemes and create a new one, which we will call Sample. In it, we will add the catalog created in the previous video called Elements. After that, we need to select our selection scheme named Sample and show to Cloud Service that we will use this selection scheme in our project named Sample. After these manipulations, it is enough to transfer the model from the inbox data to the RST folder. At the moment of transfer, the analysis takes place. When the analysis is completed, the version number and the date of the analysis appear in the list. We select the analyzed version and click View the result. Thus, we enter the analysis mode. The Elements tab provides a summary of the entire model based on passed all tests, did not pass all tests, or did not pass the selection step. Expanding the list, you can see which variable passed the validation and which did not. Passed is displayed in green, not passed in red. We see that those who passed all the tests, the necessary variables are displayed in green. Let's go to the Selection Catalog tab. Here the elements are presented according to the hierarchy of the created catalog. In our case, this is the Elements catalog. Each catalog position shows how many elements of the total number fell into each point. Depending on this, scales and selection columns were formed. Let's go to the viewer by pressing the appropriate tool. The analysis mode is automatically enabled in the viewer, where all elements receive their status depending on their check. You can hide elements based on their status, for example, hide all elements that didn't pass the selection step. Then, on the contrary, include only those that did not pass the selection. Let's go back to the table view. To do this, we close the window. Let's consider the test result in detail. If you sequentially select an element, a variable column and a check in the control point window, then the found parameter which allowed the pass the check will be highlighted in green in the properties window. Let's consider passed and failed checks. In the summary column, we can see the ratio of variables that passed and did not pass validation. In our case, 50 to 50. For metal elements, 60 of them passed all the tests and 44 did not. For precast concrete elements, 4 elements passed all tests and 5 elements did not. We can see that some metal elements doesn't have parameter nominal weight. And some of precast concrete walls have length more than 9,000 millimeters, like that 21,000 703 millimeters. The table view has also filters that can be activated if desired. We can leave only elements that passed all tests, and using level numbers we can choose how deep we will dive into the hierarchy of the result tree. Optionally, you can leave only the elements that did not pass the test or include elements that did not pass the selection at all. So in this way, we have gone through the full cycle of validation in Control.